We are on a journey. Expanding on the release of the world's most advanced full female 3D model, we are taking another step towards broader representation. Introducing the new faces of Complete Anatomy 2023. As a part of our continuous evolution, you decide how your anatomy journey begins. Personalize your anatomical character by selecting a set of physical attributes. This is anatomy like you've never learned before. The new faces to Complete Anatomy were crafted over 2 years, in collaboration with experts in the field. Join us in celebrating the individual beauty that exists across our world and better represents our global community. Students, gain a broader view on anatomy to prepare for exams and clinical practice. Educators, diversify your curriculum by switching up the visual characteristics of the models you teach with. Professionals, reflect your patient population with a model that they can relate to.
This effort by Elsevier's scientists and technicians has really made a giant step forward in representing the true range of human diversity.
Start your learning journey today with Complete Anatomy 2023.